Alrighty, boyos, welcome to another video. This hopefully is gonna be a fantastic one. We'll find out. But anyway, I'm headed home. That's not legal. Don't do that. That's not legal. Just whip you in the middle of a bridge. And just gotta slam on your brakes. It's a good way to do that. Not today, I guess. Right over the center. That's how you do it, boyos. I'm taking this lane. Okay. And we're on the move. Like we're all going in the same... I really don't know what that sound is coming from the back left of my vehicle. I think it's my tire hitting my mud flap. Could be wrong. I'm probably going to take it off real quick later and find out. I really don't like that sound. And I can't figure out what it is because I don't have a flat tire or anything. You know what I mean? I just don't know what it is. Okay. Yeah, just jaywalk, my dudes. Totally. Totally legal. And there's a sidewalk right there. Totally legal. Can't remember if it works. Can't remember if it was yesterday or the day before. One of these days, up at the top of this hill, a little bit past it, there was someone just stopped in the right lane. That person is completely in the intersection, didn't even bother to stop before the line. Like, who cares? Don't mind me rolling back. I'm in a manual. Wouldn't have to worry about that if you weren't right on the butt. To my knowledge, it's not a restricted time, so you're on the road, but dude, get off the road. What an interesting little short trip. What's this? No brakes. No brakes. No brakes. No brakes. No brakes. No brakes. Never actually had to stop, so. Back here. You're also on the road. What the heck? People. There's sidewalks. You're braking super early. This morning when I was driving to school, I heard the sound start. And I'm like, oh my goodness, do I have a tire coming apart? And I'm like, do I have to pull over on the side of the interstate and fix this? Nah, I don't want to do that. So I kept driving. And luckily, it's not a tire. I can confirm that much. Yeah, see, the sound goes away when I'm turning that way, so I'm fairly certain it's just my mud flap. Second gear pull, no big deal. No brakes, I'm losing speed down a hill. Boys! I love this vehicle. This engine. It's amazing. Okay, so I got the sound through that turn. That's annoying. Dude, I'm speeding. Why are you pulling up behind me so fast? Like, damn, dude. cars this time of the year, there's salt out, gonna ruin your vehicle, plus your rear wheel drive with a lot of power, so you're just gonna spin your tires constantly, and you don't have 4-wheel drive. If you're stuck, you're stuck. I at least have 4-wheel drive. So if I get stuck with my rear wheel drive, I can get out of there somehow. But like, why are you driving your muscle car in the winter? In Ohio, you know? Alrighty. I think I've got nothing more to say to you guys. I'm gonna figure out if this sound is in fact my mud flap, and other than that, I've got nothing. So if you guys enjoyed, go ahead and leave a like and subscribe, and go ahead and watch the next video, or the past video, or past videos, and peace. Bye, Emmanuel. Do you own? Update. Took it for a test drive. It was still making that sound. Turned around and went right back home. Got under the back of my vehicle, realized the problem. My left rear drum brake, the drum sort of broke. I mean, it's still fully functional and everything, so it's still on there. It's like the rim around it just fell off. It was just kind of dancing around inside in the back on the axle. So jacked up the vehicle, took off the left rear tire, and removed that ring. Alright, so I took off that ring, right? And put the wheel back on, no big deal. I also adjusted my on-axle bump stop that is zip tied on my axle, because when I was taking off the old one to replace it, because it was non-functional at that point, snapped both bolts inside the body rail, so I had to replace the bump stop some way, because I mean the thing bottoms out. So it's zip tied onto my rear axle. I adjusted that back to where it needs to be, put some new zip ties on there, and well, tire's back on, seems to be all solid. Tire is fully secured, and we seem to be good. Definitely not going to jump out in front of you. You're going probably 60, 55 to 60, and that's fun. I should not do that. Probably terrible for my fuel economy. But anyway, there's no sound anymore, so we're all good. And the bump stop, you can definitely feel again. So I wonder how long that was out of place. It was probably just bouncing on the right bump stop, which is properly installed and new. Like the left one, just properly installed. But you can definitely feel the right one now, or the left one now. Oh, I'm all messed up. You can definitely feel the left bump stop now, so that's good. Anyway, things are looking good. Things driving good again. It's got itself some mid-grade fuel, because, well, it gets better fuel economy and runs a bit better. So why not, right? Yeah, don't do that. Should I mention I have yet to be full throttle in this video? I think it has a lot more acceleration than you'd think from